Hello and welcome to SBC Cinema. And today I want to show you a little life hack. If you want to repair one of those LED light bulbs, you know, those ones here, yeah, you have to test the LEDs, but this is not so easy. You can't just desolder them and put them on something. And I have seen some people do really dangerous things, like use one of those transformers that normally powers the LEDs and solder two wires on it and put them on it with some pliers and some nonsense. That's all not necessary. I show you how to do it safe and easy. No soldering required. All you need is a 9-volt block battery, 2 clip leads, paper clips, and some sunglasses, dark sunglasses. So, what you do is, you put your clip lead, you take your clip lead and put, let me show it a bit better, put it in here like this. The double side goes into the clip lead, just like this. So it holds sturdy and tight. Next step, you hook the clip leads up to the battery, plus to plus, minus to minus, just like this, and you're finished. Next step, put on your sunglasses, because it's going to be bright, and yeah, take one of those LEDs you want to test. I did take a piece of metal to have it stand up, and yeah, all you need to do is figure out what the polarity is and put them on. Working, working, working. Does it work or not? Yep, it works. I have to try a bit to find the spot. I have tested this already. This one is broken. You see, it doesn't light up even if you try. This one works. Yeah, same thing with those removable cells. You just plug them out and finished. I take this one here. I haven't tested this one yet, and we put it into my holder. You can use everything you want. Just put it in so it stands up. Plus is usually here and minus there, so we start up here. First time I test this one. It works. And of course you can't just put it on here and see if it lights all up, because this battery isn't strong enough to do this. Working. Okay, I see nothing here. And of course I do this behind the camera. It's way easier if you don't have a camera in front of you. Yeah. Okay, I don't get anything here either. Sometimes you have to straighten this out again. Working. 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 So, the defective ones must be down here. This one. And was it this one? This one is working. This one isn't working. And this one is also not working. Oh, this one is working. You have just right here. Sometimes it's hard to get to, but this one is this one must be the defective one. And of course, to make sure it is really defective, I mean, one of them must be defect, so it is this one. I just go ahead and mark the ones that don't light up. Sometimes it's more than one. I mark it and then I test it a bit closer by just scraping away the isolation layer here on the board and testing it again, so I'm sure I can't make sure I have contact. But yeah, this is how to test those LEDs, and this is how to make a safe and cheap and easy battery tester. And let me explain this again. I have seen some people just take one of those power supplies that normally supplies the power to the LEDs and just solder wires directly on here like this and use this to test the cells. I mean, this is extremely dangerous. This is mains voltage being rectified to sometimes up to 300 volts. This is dangerous and it's not necessary. I have seen people build these things out of pliers. They have split them and shrink tubed and soldered and all sorts of things to put it on here, but it works with two classic clip leads. So yeah, let's call this the SBC MacGyver style LED tester. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Let me put this down. Yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed it, please consider sharing it with your friends or with other people who could think it's interesting too, or could need it. Yeah, just share it, and if you have liked it, well, press like, and if you want to do me a favor, subscribe to my channel. I need 1000 subscribers to get my videos affiliated, so that you have to watch annoying ads in front of the video, but I earn a bit of the money back I spent here for time and expensive parts. Yeah. So, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Until next time, see you later.